Wonderful fuel efficiency for an SU5. Welcome to Pohanka Honda. This 2011 Escape is for Ford enthusiasts who are looking for that pampered, one-owner gem. Awarded Consumer Guide's rating as a 2011 recommended compact SU5. It gives you great fuel efficiency and more bang for the buck than most other SUVs out there. Call us today at 540-735-9100 to schedule a test drive, or if you don't see what you're looking for, we have access to hundreds of pre-owned vehicles that are sure to meet your needs.